Huggy, the happy heart. If you've spent time with me before, you know that I love teaching about irregular heart words, like the word the. I know irregular heart words really well, but sometimes I need to call my special friend for help when I'm spelling other words. I'll show you what I mean. I am moving to a new house and made a list of what I need to get done before I move. Here are the 3 things left on my to-do list. Clean the dishes, wash the sheets, and pack up boxes. You'll notice that there are pictures instead of words for dishes, sheets, and boxes because I'm not sure how to spell these 3 words. I know that dish is spelled D-I-S-H. Sheet is spelled S-H-E-E-T. And box is spelled B-O-X. But these words only mean one of each thing. 1 dish, 1 sheet, and 1 box. And believe me, I have lots of dishes to clean, sheets to wash, and boxes to pack. I know that to make a word plural, or more than one, I have to add the suffix S or ES to the end of these words. How do I know which suffix to use? Sparkle the spelling star, will you please help me? Here I come, Huggy. I'm always happy to help my friends with spelling. I'm so happy to teach you how to make words plural using the suffixes S and ES correctly. Most of the time, we turn a word into more than one by just adding S or S to the end of the word. A dog becomes dogs. A book becomes books. And a spelling star becomes many spelling stars. When we add the suffix S, sometimes it sounds like S, like at the end of the word books. And sometimes it sounds like Z, like in the word dogs and stars. Remember, when you hear the Z sound at the end of a plural word, the suffix is spelled with the letter S. What's that, Huggy? When do we use the suffix ES or ES? Great question. We use the suffix ES to turn words into plurals when they end with S, X, Z, CH, or SH. A bus becomes buses. 1 fox becomes foxes. And a lunch becomes lunches. You may have noticed that when we add ES to the end of the word, it sounds like as. Just remember, even though we hear the Z sound, the suffix is spelled ES. This is great learning, Sparkle. I understand when to add an S and when to add ES. I'm going to finish my list now, and you can tell me if I spell the words correctly. The first thing on my list is clean the dishes. The word dish ends with SH, so I know that I need to make it a plural by adding ES. Clean the dishes. Next, I need to wash the sheets. The word sheet ends with the letter T, so I make it the plural word sheets by adding the suffix S. Wash the sheets. And finally, I will pack up boxes. The word box ends with the letter X, which means I need to add ES to the end to make the plural word boxes. How did I do with my spelling today, Sparkle? You're a spelling superstar, Huggy. Way to go! Your list is ready, and now you can finish your jobs and move to your new house. Thanks so much for helping me out, Sparkle, and thanks to all of the friends who learned with us today. Now that you can spell plural words correctly, we just know that your writing will be full of sparkle and heart.